Hello student, welcome to my class. Last class we have discussed the criteria of the similarity of the two triangles. What are those things? The criteria of the similarity of two triangles are angle, 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 A. Three angles of one triangle is equal to the three angles of another triangle, then we can say that these two triangles are similar. Similarly, not only three angle, if it is two angle also, so automatically third angle also will be equal. That's why we can say we are having the angle criteria also. Means two angles of one triangle are equal to that another two angles of another triangle. Then we can say these two triangles also similar. And then you are having the SSS, side, side, side. Means sides, three sides of a triangle are proportional to the three sides of another triangle. Means corresponding sides of the triangles are proportional. Means their ratios are equal. Then we can say these two triangles also similar. And another criteria you are having the SAS. Two sides of a triangle are proportional to corresponding two sides of another triangle, and their including angle. These two sides including angle are also equal. Then we can say those two triangles are similar. And if the two triangles are similar, then two things but two conditions you will have. One thing, the corresponding angles are equal, and second one is the corresponding sides are proportional. So according to the proving, according to the question, you have to select the proper triangle and then prove that by applying any of them of those criteria, these two triangles similar. Then you can find the required thing, ratio or the corresponding angles equal. So some question, that's application of the criteria we can do now. One question in the previous chapter also we have done by the Thales theorem, but by the same condition, same question can be done with the help of the similarity. Yeah, prove that the ratio of, or prove that the diagonals of a trapezium, prove that the diagonals of a trapezium intersect each other proportional. Means the diagonals of the trapezium intersect in the same ratio. Suppose you are having a trapezium ABCD. Trapezium means one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So here given you can say ABCD is a trapezium. That means AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal, one diagonal is AC, another diagonal is your BD, intersect at the point O. And diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Then to prove you the ratios of the diagonals intersecting is equal to OA by OC is equal to OB by OD, that to be proved. So see, in the previous case, by applying Thales theorem, any line drawing parallel to the given lines means ABDC. But here without any construction you can do that one. Take one triangle will have OA as the part, another triangle will have OC as the part. With this condition, these two parallel. This way we have to select the triangle first properly. In triangle AOB and triangle DOC, what do we have? देखो, AOB angle, this angle is equal to DOC angle, that is vertically opposite angles. And since these two lines are parallel, AB parallel to DC, so any one angle you can take these two angles. That means OAB angle is equal to OCD angle, alternate interior angles as AB parallel to DC. So therefore, see, this triangle two angles are equal to that triangle two angles. That means you can say triangle AOB similar to, that is very important, the naming. First triangle according to your choice you can take, and what's the first triangle you have taken, with respect to that one the second triangle you will get. How? Angle O is equal to angle O. AOB is equal to DOC. मतलब angle O is equal to angle O. That means O point is corresponding to O point. First triangle O point you are having in the middle. So second triangle O point will have in the middle. First triangle A angle is equal to their C angle. So what you can say, A first है तो C will be the first there. So there you got first, second, so third is left D by angle criteria. And since the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. And if you have given the proper naming, so easily you can do first, second. Suppose you have taken AO by OA, so इसका भी first, second by OC is equal to OB, second, third. So here also second, third, OD. See, OA by OC is equal to OB by OD proof. So this way easily we can prove that one. Simple one we have, that can be proved easily. Okay. Now some more question to be discussed. Now one more question that is also important type of problem in the exam also has come repeatedly. See that question. First see, in the given figure, question it is having, in the given figure ABC, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC and AD square is equal to BD into CD. Then to prove you angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. From the given condition, in triangle ABC AD perpendicular to BC, suppose BC पर perpendicular है, that's why base में BC रहेगा, A there. It is given to you AD perpendicular to BC. So here, that's very important. AD square. AD square means it is given AD square equal to BD into CD means what? You have to select two triangles. Both will have the AD as the part. Both will have AD as the part. Then you can get. So AD part, this triangle and that triangle. So in this way, you can say in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Here no matter what name you are writing. When you write the similar triangle, then proper naming should have. Here देखो, first of all, to one angle you are having ADB, at that side ADC, because perpendicular each angle is 90 degree. Second condition देखो, AD square is equal to BD into CD. That means here AD into AD equal to BD into CD. But you have to write as the ratio form. That means this triangle, if you have taken AD, so that triangle CD, AD, AC, what you have? CD. So first triangle suppose AD, so this triangle is CD, you have taken this side to divide it by, and right side is left BD, and this AD has gone AD. It means what? This triangle AD is corresponding to the CD's proportion ratio, and this triangle BD and that triangle का जब देखेंगे that is AD. That means actually AD and BD of this triangle ratio. देखो AD BD and that triangle corresponding side CD and AD you have. That means it is the ratio of the two sides are proportional but equal. That means what we can say by SS, देखो SS दो साइड रेशियो इक्वल and including angle, ये दोनों के including angle. तो triangle ADBD similar to the triangle. Here also you have to select the name. First angle. D angle is equal to D angle. So D you have kept here last, so that's also will be last. So D is corresponding to D you got. So what you are getting? A is corresponding to C. Since D is corresponding D, so A is corresponding C. So A you are having first, C first, last D. C, D, so in the middle you will have the A. Angle criteria. Now, since these two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal. So for this triangle, angle A means BAD angle is equal to that triangle A means their C, angle C, and that triangle angle A, matlab CAD, second is angle B. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, whole A angle देखो, BAD plus CAD, what we can write? BAD can be written as angle C, CAD can be written as angle B. So BAD plus CAD equal to whole A angle is coming C plus B. Then if we add A angle with both sides, angle A, that is sum of the angles 180 degree. So twice angle A equal to 180 degree, or you can say angle A equal to 90 degree. Hence it is proved. Okay. So in this way we can go ahead. Some more question will be done in the next class. Now today you will practice the exercise that's as a assignment form 6.3 from the NCERT to be practiced. That's application of the similar triangle to be done. Okay. Thank you.